Hi. Oh, nice seeing you.
You got a shot?
that?
What's up? It's alright, it's alright. Since Alexis can't grab it, I have to take control.
Oh, you're so funny.
We walk in. Here we've got Mary in the action shot. Mary's sleeping on the couch. Ooh, not sleeping yet. She's alive. We've got Dad giving her a nice old haircut.
Look him up. Noe_Cruz 74 on Instagram.
Oh, with Cora.
Gotta go.
Ooh. How's it getting that? That's really cool.
Miriam, what do you think so far?
I'm the next Tiger Woods, and I'm gonna win.
I'd agree. Not the winning part.
Miriam, do you think you're beating all the girls so far?
Well, maybe now. I was doing really bad. Doing a lot better. Do I expect to win? No.
She got a hole in one, so.
Hi.
Now taking over this channel.
Welcome to our vlog. It's day 2.
Mir and Jew.
Mir and Jew. And we're at
But
the...
I'm not a Jew.
Yeah.
Record that guy. He's
Oh,
recording
wait.
us. What are you doing, sir?
Yeah, what do
You
you...
can't record us. You can't record
Did
us.
not get consent.
These weirdos are recording me, record them.
Twitter, cancel him.
Blurring all that out.
What? For the fans.
Oh, good.
Subscribe.
Look at this guy, just resting his head on his girlfriend's shoulder. They got you soft as hell. That's soft counter number 1. That's number 2, Julian. That's number 2, bro. Your girlfriend's in your hair.
I'm the doing her. She going.
You sound very defensive.
Already.
They're not owls.
Yeah, they are.
They're not.
A 3-ball for the vlog right now.
Hit it.
I'm under pressure.
We just
No, you got it, bro. You
No.
Delete that one.
It's out. We
got it. You got it.
Alex.
Cheers. Juju.
Where's Bernie?
I'll go get him.
A few minutes later.
Point of view. Pretty cool. I got you. I don't know how to work this thing. But when I let go, it goes,
Hold this.
thank you.
There you go. We left the beach so we can go get some souvenirs.
Talk about.
Got Alex a cozy, and Alexa's dad a lighter. Miriam, we gotta try one.
Is it gator time?
Miriam's taking over for Juju.
Yep, Juju's a little sick.
I got diarrhea.
Alright, there he goes. Okay. Not bad, right?
Yeah, no. You really accomplished. That was good.
Up. Dylan's not here. I'm stuck shopping with both of them.
I hear your side note. He's not here. Stuck shopping with both of them.
We just can't for
Is
Miriam.
this what I'm for? Is this what I am to you guys? Holding all your shit?
Yeah.
Thanks, Vern.
Thanks, Julian, for me. This old guy just came out and he's like, oh, he's coming. He wants us to take pictures with his car.
That is nice. What a nice car.
It is really nice inside.
How did you not call me for this photo shoot? Oh my god. Hey, welcome to my car. Drew, take my picture.
Oh, another picture of you. Oh, like 3 times already. Money! As soon as you release that, I saw it.
Place on Earth, Alex.
It's gonna be a terrible day.
Hi.
Hey.
Got a little bit of sun.
What up?
Okay. Disney World. Disney World. Are you ready, bro? You get on Everest?
Leave me alone.
You get on Everest? Yeah, you are. He's
hit
getting on Everest.
Gotta hit it.
Watch. I'm gonna make him.
That's so
shaky and it will break your back.
All the turns are real sharp, so you just kind of like, ah!
20-minute wait. Terrible day.
That shit was decent. I was scared as hell when they went backwards. I thought they were gonna drop my ass.
10 out of 10. Favorite part was Julian's reactions.
my stomach hurts.
Terrible day. The Dole Whip Pineapple Cup here.
Dan, Julian, how is it?
Nice and whippy, good texture, good flavor. We give it a 7.8.
All right, that's number 1 for Julian.
Now we're starting to get a little frisky now. Whoa. Good flavor, it's nice pineapple juice. We give it a 6.9.
We'll try it. That's kind of strong. Holy fuck, at the end.
Terrible day.
Jungle juice.
I'll take the lion. And I'll take the warthog. Alex is going to help demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs make. Now make a warthog sound. She is going to show us her best.
Terrible day.
So how are you gonna take care of Dad when he passes out?
He's not gonna pass out.
What's your plan of action? We all need a plan of action.
If Dad passes out, I know how to ask somebody if they know CPR. Do you know CPR?
I know CPR. I have to
See,
have
I did it. I saved my dad.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind?
I don't think any other ride is better than that. That was so dope. The music helps.
That was amazing. I was just like speechless. I'm just like listening to him scream. I'm like just looking around, like this is amazing.
See you, Alex.
Terrible day.
Okay, so we gotta talk about it. We got an update.
Oh, I don't even know what the update is. I'm hungry.
Starving. It's 5:30. We haven't ate anything.
We don't get on the racetrack and the ball, I'll be upset. Those are my main two.
I just want to go around the world.
I know.
All right, babe. Pretzel. That's your first meal.
Cool that it's shaped like Mickey, but I'd rather Auntie Anne's pretzel.
Getting a spicy hot dog with pineapple and plantain chips on it. Thank you. I'm gonna try it off camera. I have no one else to hold it. The hot dog sucked. I ate half of it, man. I'll give it like a 1 out of 10.
A 1?
That wasn't that good.
It's such a
Did not enjoy
bummer.
it.
I would pick that as well.
Chicken skewer? Yep.
Look at America.
Spicy chicken skewer. There's a peanut butter sauce on it.
Is it good?
It's not bad. I don't think the peanut butter should be there, but I give it a 3 out of 10. Where are we? Italy?
Italia.
He's a little bit Italian.
Alright, vlog.
Joy, have a nice day.
Thank you. All right, babe. Let's see you try this first.
Oh, wow.
All right.
It's good.
I'm gonna try it. That is a good Italian pudding. Wow, that's really good. I like when you swallow it. It's very calming. It's the mozzarella ravioli.
Yeah?
Tastes exactly what I wanted it to taste like. You got the tiramisu, baby.
Yes. I've always wanted to try. Wow. Get your first scoop.
You like it?
I really love the coffee flavor, but the texture of it is throwing me off.
My first time walking in 12 years.
How was your burger?
Dude, salty and dry, just the way I like it.
We had a hazelnut pudding. Oh, it was amazing. I'm gonna talk about it all day.
Okay, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down.
It's fruit, people.
There's a lot. Have one.
I'm down to try one.
Not bad.
Put it in the whip and then in the sauce. No, put it in the whip and then the sauce.
The whole thing? You don't want to guess in your girlfriend?
Yeah, why?
I gotta give it a review, bro.
Out of 10.
5.8. Wouldn't eat again.
What's your rating? Out of 10. Out of 10?
I wouldn't give it a good.
I'm a 10 out of 10. That's his nose hairs.
Terrible day.
Mary beat me up and took my wheelchair, and now Dad's pushing her in the wheelchair.
Every night.
You too. I saw the seared scallops, but I had to do this one again. This one was ultimate good. Mary, you want one?
I don't want to eat it all from you.
What do you get Mary's input?
It looks good. It's probably chewy.
Delicious?
Good.
Mary approves. You kind of look dramatic in the wind, flowing.
It's the star of song.
Hit that. Strangers. Strangers. Hit the gritty. Do it.
Here's where we hit the grid at Disney World. You can like it.
Oh my god. I need to know, how was your day?
Slightly less terrible.
No, I'm not giving in.
Every suit. Every suit she's changing. Every suit.
I haven't won any of these so
Here,
far. I didn't win skip over there.
Here, go over there.
Did I win
She ain't gonna do that
it
shit. Over there. She ain't gonna do that shit. We're not gonna give her everything she wants. Watch. Bam!
She's gonna die.
Now it's hearts.
She had 2 8s. Who the is dealing this shit? 2 8s.
That's all I had.
You don't got that.
I can barely see me, I'm so dark, you need some light.
Yeah,
You always got something, bro.
You don't got that.
Okay, so I know you don't have a diamond, and I know you don't have a queen, because they're all out there.
He's count cards.
I do that all the time. Damn it.
Oh, he did it.
Joey!
Yunas or
What?
Cody.
Ah!